In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Salesforce Workbench. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process smoothly and effectively. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. Make sure you've got a reliable internet connection, as we'll be navigating online throughout this process. First, go to the search bar of your browser and type in Salesforce Workbench Login. This is a straightforward way to find the Workbench tool, which is a powerful suite most commonly used by developers and administrators within the Salesforce ecosystem. It allows you to interact with your Salesforce organization in various ways, whether you're querying your database or testing configurations. After you type it in, you'll likely see a link at or near the top of the search results that says Workbench. Go ahead and click on that link. This action will take you directly to the Salesforce Workbench landing page. Initially, the interface might seem a bit technical, but don't worry. It's designed to be user-friendly with just a little guidance. As you arrive on the Workbench page, you'll notice an option that says Log in with Salesforce. This step is crucial because Workbench relies on your Salesforce account credentials to access your data and conduct operations. Click on Log in with Salesforce. If you're not already logged into Salesforce on your browser, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials, which is your username and password. Be sure that you're using the right credentials for the account that has the appropriate access permissions to fully utilize Workbench. Once you've successfully input your credentials, the system will guide you through the standard security protocols. This may include any multi-factor authentication or verification processes that your organization requires. After completing these steps, you'll be redirected to the main interface of Salesforce Workbench. At this point, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Here, you'll have access to a variety of features, such as SQL queries, data manipulation tools, and API access, each of which can significantly enhance how you work with your Salesforce data. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into Salesforce Workbench. Remember, this tool is quite powerful, so take the time to explore its features as you become more comfortable. Whether you're troubleshooting issues or testing new workflows, Workbench offers a robust platform to effectively interact with your Salesforce environment. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating your way through Salesforce Workbench. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or leave a comment. Happy exploring!